So sorry about that. So my phone rang. There's a dog that got lost, and we had to call the pound to come get it. And so this is gonna be two parts, but it's okay, right? I mean, everything's fine. Things happen all the time, right? So that's who was calling me on the phone. Um, they haven't even come yet. It's been like an hour or two now, and been waiting and waiting, and now they're saying, "Oh, they don't know we can come and get it because it's not like an emergency." So they're having more emergencies they're having to take care of. So that's all right. But anyways, that's life, and uh, I don't even know where I'm at now. So it's all good. I just have to figure out where I'm at. So that's why I mark things so that way it won't be too hard to find out where I'm at on this map, on this thing. So, but anyways, and we have too many dogs ourselves, so I can't really take care of it. So I'm not even gonna go there. It's an old Chihuahua. I mean, he's old. So, you know. So thinking I know where I'm at now. It's all good. It's getting there. Um, so okay, I'm about to use the dark. Let's see, what was it? It's gonna be the dark cornflowers colors, and what I'm gonna be using next. It's gonna be this color right here. I think I showed it to you before. It's a real pretty color. So. This is what my days are going to be like, I guess. You know, I don't know if anybody's been with MHMR. It used to be MHMR, but now it's called Star Care, and they changed their system completely up since I've been on it. It's been a while since I've been on it, but now I'm back on with them, and it's like trying to get them to do some things. I have a caseworker, but it's like I'm not supposed to see her until like, I think it's like July, and she's pregnant. She's about to have a baby, and it's like, okay. It seems like I can't get them to do anything for me, but it's okay. I've been working with this other company. It's called Life Run, and it's for people that has disabilities, and they've been helping me a lot. So I'm trying to get my SSI or my. They're going to try to get me my disability and my SSI. I've already turned in the paperwork for my disability, and now we're working on trying to get my SSI. I guess they sent me some paperwork. I guess they're trying to get me to get both, which is fine. It's just that I need it to hurry up. People are getting so impatient. So from day to day, I never know if I'm going to have a place to stay or not. And what's so weird about it is that I got my food stamps, okay? They gave me food stamps. Then they said, well, now the food stamp people are saying, well, I need paperwork saying that that you can't work. And I'm like, well, I'm trying to get my SSI, my SSDI, or disability, whatever it is. And they're like, so I can't work because if I do that, then they're going to say I can work, and I really can't work. I'm getting, it's too much. The bipolar part was getting to be too much, and trying to work at the same time it wasn't working too good. It was frustrating me, and it was frustrating my bosses. It was frustrating the people I was working with. So it just wasn't. It wasn't good. It just wasn't a good thing. And then I was having some other issues with my health, which wasn't really good. I got some bone spurs, and if I do a repetitive motion too long, my shoulder hurts. I have bone spurs in my shoulders and neck, and it hurts really bad. And so, not sure what we're going to do about all that yet. So, and everybody keeps asking me if I have a primary doctor. I used to until I don't have insurance anymore. So, and now it's like I'm going to try. If I can get this, then I can get my Medicare A, B, and C. So I'll be all right if I can get this. But like I said, it's dealing with the government. It's all red tape. So much tape, red tape. I don't know how much the government gets paid, but they must be getting paid a lot to give everybody the runaround like they do. Tell you, because it's ridiculous. But anyways, again, I just want to know how, let me know how everything's going with you guys. And if you have any suggestions on how to get this better way of going about all this, let me know. I'm getting really tired and frustrated. I guess that's what they want, is for you to get tired and frustrated with them. So, and it's working. It's working wonders. So, they haven't seen the other side of me yet, I guess, which is a good thing. So maybe they need to see the other side to see how crazy I really can be, maybe. So, that's the only thing I can suggest. Sorry, I'm counting again. You have to count so much on this. That's where I'm going to start my new color right there. And that color right there. Start my new color right there. Guess I should be using two different colors so that way I know where I begin and where I stop, right? Then I think it'll get too complicated. I start getting kind of complicated, then it gets too complicated, then I want to stop, and then I won't do it for a while. But I guess that's how it all is. So it's been hard to get anything going anymore. But it's just that way now. It's sad that people have taken advantage of the benefits like this, and it's harder for other people to get them now. So, time for my brain to take a break. I need my brain to. I need things to chill out. It's getting so bad. Um, and like I said, I was saying I was wanting to move and everything, but I do. But I think I would like it. I love the mountains. I've always liked the mountains, and I'd probably be outside a lot. You know, especially if we had hiking places to go and look at nature and see all the trees and whatnot. Hear the streams, hear the water from the streams. So it's all good. It's all good. I want to make sure that's medium gold before I use it, because there's a gold and there's a medium gold and there's a, I don't know, bright gold or something like that. Yeah, that's the medium gold. There it was. I like nature walks. We just don't have any place to go. Really, nature walking, hiking, trails. Lubbock's just flat. It's real flat. And really nothing to do, and I'm tired of it. Really tired of it. Yeah. Then I was in Alaska. I was in Anchorage, Alaska for a while. It was beautiful. And walking and around the city, it was pretty. But the thing was, it was cold. It was really cold. There was a lot of snow. And I know the mountains are going to have snow, and it's going to be, the winters are going to be winters, but that's when you stay in and you do what you have to do. You know, you do your, that's a good time to do all your crafts and stuff. But here it's like, I just stay in all the time because it's really nothing to do, or everything costs so much money or something. And one of my friends was telling me that moving to the mountains is a whole lot more expensive, but the rent there's a lot cheaper than it is here. And YouTube was saying that the cost of living was cheaper than it is here. So, and the crime rate is lower too because it's so small. As long as you stay away from Albuquerque. Now, if you go to Albuquerque, everything, crime rate goes way up. So, yeah, and it's another thing to look at too. But I would like to be in a smaller place. It's kind of like if I want to walk, say there's a hamburger stand right down the street, you know, the whole town is like the whole downtown. You can walk the whole downtown, especially in Red River, New Mexico. You can just walk the whole town. And they even have a trolley that will take you places, and it's free. All you gotta do is call them, and they'll come pick you up and take you wherever you want to go. And it's free, and then they'll drop you off. They'll come pick you up, and all that's free. And I thought that was neat. And I found a place up there. They just don't have any places right. They don't have any place right now for rent. And I said that's okay because right now I don't have any money. I'm waiting on my disability. Once my disability comes in, maybe they'll have a place for me. You know. But maybe this is God's way of saying that I don't need to go there or something. I don't know. But it's not completely out of the water yet. I found they have a 1-bedroom for like $550, all bills paid, and then they have a 2-bedroom that's like $650. It's all all bills paid. Here in Lubbock, the apartments are going from $800 to $1,000. Well, by the time that you get in there and everything, it's going to be about $1,000. And then all the extra stuff that they want you to pay is going to be about $1,000 a month. So it's insane. That's how much they're wanting to be Dallas. And we're not quite Dallas, but we do have tech here. So we are a college town, so that makes it, I guess that's why it's making it more. And it's frustrating. It's real frustrating. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to find my way again here. I get the way my eyes are. It's hard for me to keep lines together. When we used to do overheads, I would get so messed up where I was, and people had to take notes for me over the overhead because I just couldn't do it. They said I have some kind of eye disease. So, it's okay too. Yeah. I'm trying to make sure because I don't want to tear this out again. I have torn this out so much that I'm tired of tearing it out. I just don't want to tear it out no more. Okay, so where's this gold at? Right here. Okay, so that's where the white is. Now I'm going to start the Kelly green. Okay. That's what I was needing to make sure of. Okay, I'm going to change colors right here. And I'm going to have that one right there. Okay. Oh no, I'm not going to change color. Yeah, I'm right there. Okay. Sorry, I do talk to myself a lot. Don't judge me on it. And I do answer myself, but that's okay. I have a whole conversation with myself just so I know exactly what I'm doing, where I'm at, how I'm doing it, when I'm going to do it, and how I'm going to do it. It's just that way. So, anyways, I hope that y'all are liking this video, and hope y'all will subscribe to it and like it, and leave me some comments and tell me how y'all are doing and what's going on with y'all. I didn't really think this was going to be a whipping chat, but it turned out to be a whipping chat. It's Work in progress. With your whips, whatever your whip is, whatever you're working on, and then chatting together is a kind of like a whip and chat. And it's kind of like I'm talking to myself, but I'm really talking to you guys. And I can't. I mean, it's not live, so I don't know what y'all are saying, and it's just a video, and whatever comments that you send me is what I get. And then I will look at all the comments and try to reply to them. I'm not the fastest person to do that, and I'm sorry. Sometimes I don't get any replies for a while, and then when I look at it, I realize I don't have anybody say anything, and then I'll look again. Oh, I have somebody, and then I'll reply to them as fast as I see it, as fast as I can see it, and go with it. Okay, now where am I? See, that's what I'm saying. I keep getting lost, and it's hard. It's hard to know where I'm at. Okay. So now I need to put coffee. This one's coffee. And anyways, and the darker it gets in here, the worse it is. And I have lights I can put on. I just don't want to put a lot of lights on, because when I do that, it messes up the computer a lot. It messes up the computer, and all you see is these lights, just lights, and you can't really see what I'm working on right now, anyways, because it's like, it's hanging down off the table. But I'll show y'all again here in a second when I get this one done. Okay, so then let's see. Okay, let's do it. Okay. So I'm gonna do. Okay, so. I did all of that. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be where I change color. Should be right there. Let me get this marked, and I'll show you where I'm at now. See if y'all can see it. See, that's where I'm at now. It's gonna be pretty. Did I show y'all what it's gonna be? If I can find them. I moved things around before I got on, so now I forgot where I put everything. Because I had to move things so I can put my computer. Let's see, that's what it's going to be. Pretty, huh? So, and that's where I'm at. But anyways, if y'all get this, I would give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know, leave comments, let me know when y'all see this. I'd appreciate it. And y'all have a wonderful night, evening, day, whatever it is at y'all's time. It's evening. It's It's night. It's 8:30. So it's nighttime here. So y'all have a good night. Y'all have a good time. Y'all have a good day tomorrow. And maybe I can get on a little bit tomorrow too. And I'll do some more of this. And hopefully we'll get this. Hopefully I can get this channel going, get it up and going. But anyways, we'll see y'all later. And y'all have a good night. And y'all have a good week if I don't see y'all or anything. And y'all keep safe.